It's New Year's Eve, it's always Christmas around here. So anyway, we got the after Christmas special. I've been wanting this for several years, some sort of train to go around the Christmas tree. So we got the North Pole Junction Christmas train. So this normally sells for about 50 bucks at the stores, but after Christmas we picked it up for 25 bucks. So it'll be ready for next year, but let's see if it's worth even 25 bucks. Let's find out. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it can do. And of course, as always, a special appearance by Ziggy the Christmas Bunny. So before I get it all set up, let's open her up and make sure the engine works. It works. So this is how they slide in, and they feel very cheapy and plasticky, so you want to probably be real careful. You got to put some pressure on them though, and they do pop in. There you go. But just do it carefully, because I can tell these would break pretty easily. There's Karine putting together the last bit. Now we have a nice oval. So just so you can see how big it is, it can fit a full grown woman inside. Alright, let's put the train on this track and see what happens. Okay, so we're gonna start. We're going to put the train on the track and see how this goes. Make sure to get the wheels inside the groove. There we go. And then we got the presents. And then, of course, we end with the caboose. Hi, Ziggy. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it all in. We will find out in just a second. Here we go. Let's fire it up. All aboard! Uh-oh. Something's not right. I didn't get it quite on. Let's try it again. As you can see, it really struggles on the corners.
Try just running it without the cars.
As you can see, it gets stuck on the corners, so we're going to see if we can figure out how to prevent that. I'm not sure if I put the cars, if I connected them properly. Let me put, oh, I think it goes in here. So let me move these to that. Yeah, that looks better. I was putting it in that spot, but I think it needs to be in here so it has more movement. We'll see if that fixes our problem. And also I want to point out something on this. It has a middle switch. If you just move it to there, it turns on without the sounds of the train, which might be nice if you get tired of them. And then if you switch it all the way to on, then you get all the train noises. Okay, here we go. We're going to try her again.
I didn't notice these going before.
Yay! Now we got it. Uh-oh.
Derailed. The presents go from side to side. Do you see that?
Yeah. Okay, so here we are with the fun train. We're having a blast with it. Looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. Once we got all the cars on the track properly, it seems to mostly stay on. We did have it come off one time and I put it back on and now it seems to be going around fine. I think also one of the issues is that we have it on carpet, and I noticed the tracks are kind of going up and down with the weight of the train on the carpet. I have a feeling, and we'll test this out, but I have a feeling if this was on a hardwood floor that would eliminate that problem. But it's a super fun train. It's a nice big track. This could fit around a pretty good sized tree, and I'm happy with it. I look forward to using it every Christmas. I went ahead and put the train on a hardwood floor, and it looks like it does run a lot smoother. So it hasn't derailed once yet. It's gone around about 5 or 6 times. So it seems like the best is if you've got a hardwood floor. If you have carpet, it's a little tricky, but it did seem to work fine on carpet once we kind of got the kinks worked out with the track and made sure everything was nice and smooth. Now I'm going to go ahead and let this thing just run. I've got some really cheap economy batteries in it, and I'll see how long it lasts just running around. I turned the music and the sound effects off so that it would last as long as possible, and we'll see how long that is, and we'll let you know. Okay, so here we are. It's 2 hours and 50 minutes later, so almost 3 hours, and it's finally started to slow way down. It's still going, but very, very slowly, as you can. So I hope this review helped you. Hope to help you decide whether or not you want to get the Christmas train from Blue Hat Toy Company. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for some of our other reviews. Thanks for joining us. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.